Let's make a steak sandwich. And guess what? This steak sandwich I'm gonna be making using leftover prime rib roast. All right, we've got to get to work here. So I'm using some green onions. Everything that goes into my sandwich has got to be good. I want flavor. Of course, I'm gonna have some mushrooms. A steak sandwich to me means mushrooms, onions, peppers, and I'm gonna have them all. So we set those aside once they're all prepped up. Here I've got green bell pepper. I had my mushrooms. Of course, I'm gonna need some garlic and the onions. And what goes best with my steak sandwich is my garlic mayo. It's very easy to make. It's quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. I spice it up by getting some jalapenos all diced up and set those aside as well. While we're finishing up our prep work here, do me a favor as well. Hit that subscribe button. It's really going to help me out. It'll only take you a second to do. And if you like the video and like the steak sandwich, please share it to your friends. That's also going to help my YouTube channel grow. All right, here we go. How to make garlic mayo. Pretty simple for me. I'm adding in the mayo. Of course, I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, not a punch, a dash of pepper, and there's that nice fresh garlic. I need a little bit of lemon juice. And how would it be complete without that nice chipotle hot sauce? And for good measure, I'm just added in a few of those nice green onions. Give it a good mix and then set that aside, and we get on to prepping up that leftover prime rib roast. I'll be honest with you here, while I'm using the prime rib roast as a leftover, is I wasn't happy with the way that I cooked it. The flavor was great, but I had it undercooked and I was tired and I couldn't keep on going to finish up the cook. So I figured I was gonna use it as a leftover and make a great sandwich out of it. So here we go. This is how our steak sandwich is going to go. I seasoned up the prime rib. I had it stuffed with garlic, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of salt and pepper. And of course, I'm gonna re-season everything right in here. I'm adding in more rosemary, more thyme, more garlic, more butter, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're gonna set that aside and get onto those vegetables. Okay, there go the onions, the bell peppers. Of course, we need those jalapenos. I've added in a little bit of garlic and of course a pinch of salt and pepper to season that right up. And finally, the mushrooms are going in to complete our nice vegetable mixture. All right, here we go. We're getting on to construction time. Let's slice up this prime rib. Now I've got it to a nice medium rare. I'm a lot happier with this. Once that's sliced, I'll set it aside and I'm gonna bring in my nice toasted bun. This is fresh, by the way. I have an easy recipe on how to make this bread or the bread rolls on my channel. We'll slather it up with that nice garlic mayo and then we'll start layering in first that nice vegetable mixture. Add in loads and loads of cheese. It's almost like a Philly cheesesteak here, but it's not a Philly cheesesteak. There goes that nice steak. Look at that. Now I'm happier with the steak and how it's cooked, or we'll call it prime rib, and layer in a little bit more of that garlic mayo and finish it off with those green onions. Listen to this crunch, and the juice is flowing. Prime rib roast sandwich. You want some? Oh yeah.